All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. This is probably not what you would expect to see for a glue up job to put a veneer onto some glued up stock. So that being said, this is what is this? So it's very thin plyboard with an oak finish onto it. So technically it's my veneer, and this is the way I decided to glue it up. I've got weights in the middle on a piece of thicker plyboard, and let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22, 23, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30, 31. Approximately 35 to 40 clamps on the outside. Now, there's all kinds of ways of doing the same thing. I could have taken the time to cut strips of wood, right, and then ran it across this way or whatever. So it remains to be seen if I have failed or succeeded with applying this veneer. Okay, what did I use for glue? I used Titebond 2 premium wood glue, and so that's that. I didn't use the Gorilla Glue that I like to use, and let me just say that that was a lot of glue. So all right, this would be like a part 4 of the project for the COVID-19 office table. It's going to be a real short one because there's really not much to say about, more to say about this process. So next, what will we be doing? I'll need to cut off this little piece here that's extruding, and what I will do is more than likely get some solid oak stock. I'll cut that up and raise it up to the top of this here, like you can even see that. Technically, I can take that off. Take some of these off. So we'll cut this off and put oak stock here, and it will raise it up to meet this. So that should make a very interesting desktop. And then we're going to make drawers that are going to go under. Maybe a couple, maybe one long one. I really don't know yet. All the while, I have to consider that when I'm sitting in the office in my chair, that it's not going to hit me here on the bottom. Also, we're going to be tapering legs out of 4x4s, and well, who knows? Beyond that, I really don't know. Like I said at the beginning of the project, this is a on the fly type of effort, which I love doing. That way, there's no absolute commitments to the project. So it could be as simple as I described, or we'll add on other things. Really, I don't know. So we'll see. I want to thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Hopefully you like what you see. We do all kinds of projects here in the wood shop here. Even little things like this. This here holds my phone, for example. So when I'm over at the bandsaw, which is kind of behind you, I make bandsaw boxes. Sometimes I'll just willy-nilly do things like this, which is pretty cool. You just set your phone on it. So, all right. Can we say goodbye? All right, let's say goodbye in our several languages. Tot ziens, tzatjen, wassalami, shalom uvracha. Bye-bye. Take care.